Let's talk. Let's talk. I just finished a CrossFit class. It's been lots. I went, I think, after a week, probably. The reason I decided let's just talk is that, CrossFit still triggers a few things in my mind when it comes to CrossFitting in life. And this particular class, I saw the workout last night and I was like, I'm not so sure. And of course, I got into that thinking spiral that maybe I should just go for some other class instead. And I think until 7:30 in the morning, I was like deciding whether to go or not. And I said, you know what, let's just go. Let's do our best. The reason is the workout was power snatch. Now there's this exercise called power snatch, and the workout was that we have to do 20 repetitions one after another, build up for power snatch. Now this is one exercise, this movement I probably have done a couple of times, not done as much as such, because even though I've been crossfitting, this movement, this exercise I've not done as such. So of course I'm a little I would not say scared, but I'm like I feel intimidated when of course I should not see people around me, but I do. And I feel that I could not have done it, or I would have not done it as greatly, because it looks simple, but it's a series of movements that you have to do it like in a one go, kind of with some weights added to it. If you ever check power snatch on CrossFit, so even though I've been doing strength training and I know I have enough strength to do a lot, but when it comes to this one, it becomes quite complex for me. And so I was hesitating to go, but in the car I was like, you know what, let's just go. And so even though I was 5 minutes late because I changed my mind last minute, and thank God for it. What happened was, now I'll come to this point. So in the car I told myself, Ronak, let's just do 20 kilos today. Let's just build it up to 20 kilos today. And we'll focus on the technique. We'll understand and practice the movements instead of focusing on the weights, which I normally end up doing. Somehow my mind works that way. So I said to myself in the car that let's just go for 20 kilos and we'll be okay. Let's build it up, because the last time I did this exercise, I think I did probably 13 or 15 kilos. So I wanted, and I had it in my mind, I want to do 20 at least, so yeah, come the class, and I'm already doing it, and finished a few reps, added a few weights, and the best part is I didn't realize until the end of the class. Now this is where it gets interesting, because I was using these small weights like 1.5 kilos or 1.5 kilos, the small weight plates. I was using that to build up. So I didn't really do the math, but it is so ironic. So I thought I didn't reach my goal of 20 kilos that I had told myself in the car, and I was like kind of beating myself up in the car after the class that, oh my God, I didn't even finish 20 kilos that I set out to do. But little did I realize, and thank God that I record myself in the classes. Afterwards, I did the math, which is everybody will realize that, sometimes when you add weights, you really need to do the math properly. And I had added like a few small weights, and it is, thank God for it, that I actually kept my word. I actually reached my goal of 20 kilos that I'd set for myself in the car. And I just didn't realize that I had reached my goal. The point, now finally I'm coming to the point, is that often in life we set for ourselves some goals, and actually we do reach those goals. It is just that we don't realize that we've reached our goal. And since we don't realize that we've reached those goals, we tend to beat ourselves down, or we feel like we failed, or we feel that, I don't know, for me I feel like, oh my God, I didn't do enough, or I should have done this or that, or no. All these thoughts come The reason is it's hot here in Belgium today, like almost 30 degrees. I don't know, I'm not used to this weather. So I often in life we don't realize that we've reached our goal that we actually set ourselves to do. And that's the problem. We don't realize we actually do. And the best part is we set the goals based on what we think we can achieve. Now, that's also interesting to understand. We don't set any outrageous goals for ourselves. We think that we can do only so much, so we will set for ourselves only that much. And the best part is that we do reach those goals. Because you know what? Something in us does have that power to reach those goals. Whatever we set our mind to do, we do reach. The only trouble is we don't realize it. Or the only trouble is that, for me at least, we reach them, we don't realize it, or we set ourselves some seriously small goals instead. And then we're like, oh, we could have done this also, So it can go both ways, but in the end, it's all about building up that confidence. And of course, the confidence is not built up, at least for me. The reason is because this is new for me. Even though I'm crossfitting, even though I'm fit, even though I'm gymming, even though all of it, this particular exercise is new for me. Building up weights with this is new for me. A lot of factors affect my movements, and of course we should not be thinking while we are doing all this, but all these, when there are doubts, when there's not enough confidence that I can do, and it's not about confidence in not myself. It's not like I lack confidence in myself. It's lack in confidence in that, can I do the exercise because I've not done this before, This is just one example that I'm giving you for CrossFit. It can be anything in life that you are doing in life, It can be exercise, it can be something in your, in whatever life aspect of your life, So the point I'm trying to make is that it's about realizing that we do reach our goals. Or even if we reach or don't reach, it's just falling a little short of those reaching those goals. So it's not like such that we failed. The fact that we set for ourselves a goal is in fact the first step, and it's halfway won, because we did reach a goal. We did set for ourselves a goal, right? Otherwise, most people don't even set for themselves some goals. At least the halfway is done, that we set for ourselves this goal. For me, today it was all about wanting to reach the 20 kilos with the power snatch in my CrossFit workout today. That would be a win for me, because I have not reached that goal yet. I have not reached that point. What's the word they use? That would be my best yet. That would be my best that for that exercise. So at least I set that goal. At least I went. You know what I mean? Let's look on the positive side now. So at least I went. So point is, sorry, I got distracted because I lost my road. I lost track of where I'm driving today. So the point I'm trying to make is that set yourself goals. Don't be afraid to set yourself goals, and trust that you can reach them, or trust that you will reach at least some point, if not the whole way. You know what I mean? Like how they say, there's a saying, aim for the moon, shoot for the stars, or something on those lines. I don't even know now, but you got the point, right? What I'm trying to say is that sometimes we set for ourselves goals, we don't even realize that we've reached it. Today I did not realize, and I was beating myself down until I saw my video after the class that how did I do, how was the whole exercise, and I saw and I was like, wait a minute, did I count right? And when I did the math, I already was carrying 20 kilos. It's just that in my mind I had a way, I had set for myself a goal that I'm going to carry a 10 kilo bar with the 5 kilos on each side, you know, the big plate. But I did not carry those big plates of 5 kilos on each side on a 10 kilogram bar. Well, what I did was set for myself. What I did instead was on a 10 kilogram bar. Well, I put small weights that added up to 20 kilos. So, you know, yeah. Sometimes we reach the goals, we just don't know how we are reaching the goals. You know what I mean? Sometimes we reach the goals, we just don't know how we are reaching the goals. Anyways, I will go because I'm on the road. And I hope you got something of value. The whole point of this whole video was that sometimes we reach a goal, we don't even realize that we've reached the goal. Because we've reached the goal in a different way than what we had envisioned in our mind. I had envisioned a 10 kilo barbell with 5 kilo plates on each side, and that would make 20 kilos. I had envisioned that for myself to finish this power snatch exercise, but I did not realize that, you know, I achieved my goal of 20 kilos. It's just that instead of those big 5 kilograms barbell weight plates, I had summed it up with small weight plates. And that added up to 20 kilos. So, are you understanding me? Sometimes it's the small wins in life that lead to big success in life. It's the small steps in life that leads us to big successes in life, that reaches us towards our ultimate goal. So the goal was here 20 kilos, whatever it can be. Even though you envisioned it in a different way, it comes about in a different way, but at least you reach the goal. So the biggest lesson is how it can be, how we reach the goal can be changeable, can come in a different way than what we had envisioned, but it will come. You know what I mean? So I hope you understood. I'm getting to the point, and if not, I will just not upload this. I'm not so sure because it has always become a too long a video, because I was building up this talk, you know, in my mind. But anyways, I hope you got something of value, and see you. Bye.